Hey there guys, my third lock that came from Jim Elwood, it's the Avis Discus 2460. I don't know if you can see that. I thought I had one identical, but it's a little bit different. This one is the 2470. I've picked it 3 or 4 times, just playing with it. Figured I'd do a video of it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the keys. Looks like a 4-pin. Works beautifully. Let's see what. Use a homebrew pick. Okay, have it a false set. Feels like pin 2. Okay, pin 2 is set. And pin, is that like 3 or 4? I'm not for sure what pin it was, but hey, my batteries had went dead on my camera, so anyway, this is the lock Jim Elwood had sent, and I picked it open, so sorry about my camera going dead, and thanks Jim for the lock, and you guys have a good one.